Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel again. And for this video ay babalikan natin ang nakaraan. Char! Babalikan natin ang view na pinuntahan namin before dahil may extension na sila ng bridge na may dagat. So, alright, let's go! Oh, nandito na naman kami. Ay, ito. Guys, grabe kalayo ang lalakarin namin dito guys. Yun, tapos yun. Extension pa yun. Extension dito. Pupuntahan natin yung bagong. So anyway guys, we're here already in the extension. Before it was only until there, that one. And now we are here. We can we will walk in the end, but I think it's not finished yet. We will go there. I think it's not finished yet, but we'll try to go to the end. So walking lang. Maganda siyang view guys. May sunset. May sunset dito kasi. Silaw man. Silaw. Ito na siya guys. Sunset na siya guys. So this is the end guys. Ang ganyan pa siya. Sa dulo hindi ko alam anong plano nila. Anong pang gagawin dyan. Pero yan na yun. Sunset. Tingnan natin kung gaano kalayo yung narating namin dito sa dulo. So that's how far we walk. That's how far we walk. Layo. Ang layo namin guys. Yes. Dito si Bitoy. Yan na siya guys. Medyo malayo-layo na. So anyway guys, we are here at the end to the pier of nowhere. Pier to nowhere. Pier to nowhere daw guys. Kasi yung dulo niya ganito lang. Pero baka hindi pa tapos, nagagawin pa sila dito. Pero lalim na to dito siya guys. Malalim. May isda sa ilalim. It's fair to nowhere daw kasi nothing in the end. It's nothing in the end. So now, finish taking pictures and it looks like it's getting dark. So we're going back to the house. We did home already. Ang layo ng lalakarin namin guys. Guys, nagpaana. Bit-bit. Bit-bit chinil.